Welcome to westcoastnissan.ca. My name is Jason and I'm the General Sales Manager. In the next minute, I'm going to show you how to efficiently navigate our website to find all our specials, our manager demos, on-ground and incoming new inventory, pre-owned inventory, and our industry-leading payment calculator. When this video closes, you will see our featured specials. There's always 4 to 5 banners every single month, and these are not just simply corporate specials. These specials are designed to beat the local competition and custom from West Coast Nissan. Simply click on any one of the banners and I'll lead you directly to the specials that we have in stock. Next, we'll look under our new tab on the top left of the web page. Here you will find in-stock new vehicles, incoming inventory that is updated daily, also our clearance and demo vehicles. You will find some amazing savings here. Right beside the new tab is our used tab. Pay special attention to our certified pre-owned vehicles there. These Nissans are top-tier pre-owned vehicles that go through the most stringent requirements to pass. They all come with 1 year additional warranty, 2 years oil changes, and the lowest possible interest rates in the market. Once you select a vehicle, you will find a button to your right that says Tailor Your Payment. From here, you can estimate your payment on finance or lease on new vehicles or finance on pre-owned vehicles. You can pick bi-weekly, monthly payments, and adjust your down payment accordingly. You can also click Include Taxes and see a full pricing breakdown. Now that your research is completely out of the way, it is time to contact one of our consultants to assist you with any final questions, vehicle presentation, and test drive. We appreciate your time and consideration and thank you for your future business.